Hey guys, Ryan with Cars Remember When. Got a really cool Chevelle here for you. This is a 1971 Chevelle. We believe it's an SS 454 clone. It's got a hot 454 big block under the hood with a 450 horsepower call out. It is not numbers matching. Factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Really well restored. Cortez silver. Bucket seats, 4-speed transmissions, got Dakota digital gauges. Total frame off restoration. All the body bushings appear to have been replaced, as well as the floor pans are painted the body color. Fuel level, volts, water, oil pressure. I do have the emergency brake on. Gauge cluster shows 2143, and that's the camera making it do that in the light. It doesn't do that in person. AC compressor has kicked on, and this air conditioning system has been converted to R134A, the new stuff, and it works really well. The controls are nice and easy too. They slide all the way to the end. Aftermarket Pioneer radio. Nice stereo system. You can see the kick panel speakers down there. You got the 4-speed transmission. Really nice sound motor. So there you have it. There's your 454 big block Chevy engine, Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold. Got some nice long tube headers on there. You got power front disc brakes, I believe. You have power front disc brakes, drum in the rear. How nice and new all the steering stuff looks. You can see the new fittings for the newer Freon on there. See the control arm bushings are in really good shape. You got about the same amount of shims on both sides. Really straight body. That excellent paint, excellent door fit here, both the doors. tinted windows. The hood fits a little high here. Not horrible. It does have the cowl on the hood. Take note of these scratches right here. Looks like it might have been from the hood. Let's see if I push this side down. Yeah, it fits a little high on the passenger side. Baby moon wheels with the tires are dated 2013, date code on the tires. So if you're interested in this beautiful 1971 Chevelle 454 SS clone 4-speed, please go to our website, carsrememberwhen.com. About 80 plus high resolution pictures of it, including detailed pictures of the undercarriage. You can see how nice the paint and body and the floor pans are under there, as well as all the new bushings and whatnot from the frame off restoration. So yeah, and if you have any more questions, make sure to give us a call. Thanks.